In this section, I'm just going to quickly cover, obviously, how I plot my economic data from the calendar on my chart so it's unforgotten about. So at the moment, you can see down the bottom, we've actually got these things called lollipops. What they are, these are the economic data that TradingView puts on for you, so you can literally double click them and it tells you obviously when the news is actually coming out, but they're not very accurate. As you can see, I've actually had a finished trade here on the 34 moving average system that's triggered this morning. So it's very, very nicely. We didn't have a break of the blue EMA. But what I need to do now is realize that any trade that I'm going to take throughout the day, I need to make sure that the economic data is not going to affect anything I'm trading. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clear my screen quickly. So we're on a completely fresh start. So I'm just going to remove all the drawing tools. And I'm going to go forward into time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the economic calendar and I'm going to understand that the ECB, the European Central Bank, is going to affect the whole market because it's major news. So this is at 1:30. Okay, so as the US session's getting ready to open. So I'm just literally going to go from 1:30. We go back to my chart and get a nice vertical line. And then what I'm going to do at the bottom, I'm just going to follow the ruler and I'm going to go for 1:30, so from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. This is my major news zone. So I'm just going to double click. I'm going to paint the style red on both these to indicate that this is a major news zone. And I'm literally going to go just quickly. I'm just going to write a brief ECB. I'm just going to go there. So, and we can put high risk. I know a lot of traders, and I've got a few of my students actually put another hour either side to make sure that they are completely out of the market. So you can do that as well. You can put an extra zone and just paint these a different color. I would suggest like a blue. And that way you've got like a sort of a danger zone. And then what you can do as well is double click, set up an alert. So once crossed, risk, ECB, no trading. So what this will do is this will actually highlight with a nice alert that you could be sitting trading away, you've forgotten about the news, but because we've put this on our chart, it's never going to be forgotten about, and it's actually going to alert us as the price reaches this time frame. So at 12 o'clock, we're going to get an alert straight to your email or across your screen saying no more trading or protect your assets, or if you are trading, make sure your stop loss is tucked up nice and tight because there's a high risk news announcement coming out. And this is one of the techniques that I teach everybody to do, because we're only human and we can actually forget that a news event's coming out, or some people read it in the morning and go, oh, I'm not going to forget that. And then life can get in your way and you can actually forget that these events are coming out. So this is one way to really help you with your trading, alert yourself and make sure that you're never ever going to be struck out by a big news announcement.